Yo, what is good, guys? It's your boy Curly Head Brandon here, back with another video on the channel, guys. Today, guys, I'm gonna be talking about the products that will promote lots of hair growth to basically grow your hair super fast, basically overnight. Was like that's how good these products are. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the products and talking about them and how they help your hair and how they can grow it. So the first product is boom, got that biotin. As you guys can see, let me focus it in. Boom, biotin. Biotin, make sure if you're gonna get biotin, get the 10,000 mcg. If you get the 5,000, it's not gonna promote as much hair growth. But basically, biotin promotes so much hair growth. You take 3 a day. If you take 3 a day, boom, your hair is gonna grow like 2 inches a month, my dude. So take 3 a day. That's what I take. It's definitely really good for hair growth. Like that's the best product out there, like #1 product for hair growth. Like everyone uses it. It also promotes a lot. It makes your hair thick as well, not only just long but thick and healthy. So definitely start using biotin, guys. The next product is this right here. Let me focus it in. Boom, and Jamaican black castor oil, tropical oil living, and it's used as a hair and a skin moisturizer. So you can use it also for your skin, you know, if you want to do some skincare stuff. So basically what this does, it promotes really good hair growth, and not only that, but it promotes really healthy and thick hair. So this is like, it's really thick, like it's really thick. When you like put your hands in it, it's like hella thick. So it's definitely going to promote your hair to become really thick, and thick hair is good because say your hair is longer, say like down to your nose. If you use this a lot, your hair is going to start hanging down. You'll be able to shake it because if your hair is thick, it means it's heavy. So that means it has more hang time. And if your hair is thick, it has less shrinkage because the thickness, if it's so heavy, it's stretching its hair itself. So you can like shake it when it's dry and stuff and all that good stuff. So definitely make sure you get your hair thick and use this. The next 2 products are, my bad, is Castor right here. This is like curl hair moisturizer. This is what you use in the shower for your hair. Make sure you use this any other product. It doesn't really promote hair growth. The only thing it does is moisturizes your hair, and it just replaces the your shampoo and your other conditioner. So definitely start using this instead of like Pantene and all that other stuff, because Castor was really good. And the same thing for this product. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Good luck to everyone on your hair growth journey. My hair goes like down here. I'm trying to get it down to my chin, like down my neck or whatever, or like down here. So yeah, guys. I'm on my hair growth journey. I got my cornrows in. When I take them out, it should be a little bit longer. And good luck to everyone. If you guys do, join the Curly Head gang today. Subscribe and like the video. And I'm out, guys. Deuces.